Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked. I needed some with some bopping. Let's go. I'm unorthodox than a muff. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked. I needed some with some bopping. Let's go. I'm unorthodox than a muff. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked. I needed some with some bopping. Let's go. I'm unorthodox than a muff. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back, guys, to another Fortnite Emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with that professional grade dance instruction. Today, you're going to be learning the Fortnite Emote Jabba Sway. But before we get started again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Okay, that way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams, guys. I'm going to leave a link to my live streams in the description box below. I got a free hip-hop class that's available to everybody from all over the world. Okay, you guys ready to do this emote? Let's hit it. Okay, so this is how you do the Jabba Sway. This emote's got a little bit of swag to it, so I'm just going to teach you the steps, and then I'm going to show you how there's a little bit of a balance in there with the body, and then of course how to get that lean in there and get that swag, okay? So I'm going to face the back, all right, like we're in like a real dance studio and you guys are behind me, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your left arm kind of out like this, and then you're going to come across your body this way, okay? So if I face you, it's going out like this, and then it kind of comes across your body. You're going to lift your left leg up when you do that. So lift your left leg up out here, and then you're going to step this way, okay? This arm's going to already kind of be out, all right? So we're going to leave it out like this. You're going to bring your leg up. You're going to step across and lean this way. Then you're going to step and lean this way. Then you're going to pull your arm in and almost act like you're pulling your heel up with your hands, okay? So you're not lifting it forward like this. You're going to be lifting it backwards like this, okay? So after we come across this way, pull, and this way. So you notice that it kind of repeats, yeah? What's kind of tricky about that is your leg comes up twice. After we go swing, swing, lift, and lift, you're going to lift it up to then step out this way again. So that foot lifts up to the back, and then you're going to lift it forward to then step out. And it's something that you kind of just move through, yeah? It's real swaggy. It's not like a boom, 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 boom. You just kind of, hey, hey, hey. So, once again, I'm just going to go from the top. We go like this. And here, you're going to go lift, and here, lift, and here. So you'll notice there's a little bounce in there that you have with your body, okay? If we break that down for you, the second time that you come around this way, right? You go down this way. What's going to happen is after you step out like this, and then you step out like this, you're going to go down, okay? And it's just a little vibe, just a little bounce before you go lift, and repeat. Here, and hit, and go here, lift, and here, da, go here, boom, lift, and. So that is the Jabba Sway. It's one of those things that honestly is easier to just kind of do it with the music. When you break it down step by step, you might be able to be in the correct position, but to get that vibe in there, like that just comes from the music and feeling the music. So don't be afraid to learn the steps and then do it a whole bunch of times. It's not fast and it's not super intricate or complicated. So you should be pretty good to just do it with the music after you've kind of learned the steps and start to feel that vibe and just, you know, get that lean back in there and the bounce and all that stuff. Okay, enough of that. If you guys are ready, let's put on some music. Let's do this with the skin. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked. I needed some with some bopping. Let's go. I'm unorthodox than a muff. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked. I needed some with some bopping. Let's go. I'm unorthodox than a muff. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked. I needed some with some bop in. Let's go. I'm unorthodox than a muff. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked.
Boom, there you go. That is how you do the Fortnite emote Jabba Switchway. Hope you guys had fun. If you have any requests for other emotes, put them in the comment section below. I will stick them on the list and we will do them, okay? Thanks again for dancing with us and watching. I will see you guys next week. Peace out.